Are you thinking about a shipping container to use for static storage, a spare room, or maybe some sort of work area? Check out this container behind me. We're doing a couple of very simple modifications to this 20-foot shipping container that would make it perfect for any one of those purposes. Over here, we've got a cutout that's been reinforced, and we'll be installing a glass window. Now the window's fantastic because it lets in natural light and it can be opened for ventilation while you're working inside the container. On this side, we have a personal access door. Makes it very easy to go in and out of the container whenever you need. Shipping container doors can be a little bit big and heavy to wrestle, so if you want quick and easy access, a simple modification like a personal access door takes care of that. Now this container will also have a whirlybird installed in the roof and a couple of vents at the bottom, so even when the container's locked up tight, it still has some ventilation to take care of the goods that are stored inside the container. So if you need a spare room, a work area, or maybe just some static storage, visit our website www.containersfirst.com.au or call our friendly team on 1300 556 991 and we can help you out with a container just like this.